starts now. Just for 2 minutes, let's just be quick. Let's have this activity. May I request my charity to distribute? Inside that envelope, so this is the instruction. I want you to take out the materials from that envelope.
Walang space. Ginagmay lang.
Last thing on. Alright, sige. Let me show, let me see your output.
Nakabang.
Alright. Things to get done, then please do that. Because again, we need to have a safety flight, and we need also to ensure that we have in the aviation industries are safe. No, safe. And so you need to be responsible enough to ensure all.
Okay, well, thank you for that wonderful motivational speech for us. May po na caller sa inyong team. So that cartolina is diha ninyo ibutang ito.
Pero short lang.
Dasa.
Short lang din siya.
We are the yellow team! We are, yum yum, yum yum. We are, yum yum, yum yum. Okay. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow. Meow 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 meow.
Every pan!
No! Quack, quack, quack! Ay, tumibig kami nakita. Maganda, wapo, kanino. Di pa bibig! Di pa
Start ha, wala pa na start. Facilitator. Contractor, ayaw mo.
Para stable lang siya.
Okay, stable na ta.
Correct.
Facilitators, please.
Tumba na, may brace.
Tuma na yung brace niya.
Yung matatatin siya, hindi magtatatin siya. Ayaw, gas mo. Ayaw.
Ang gara, ligo na kayo na oh.
Tapos, mas malo, may patas, direct tanan.
Uy, patasan.
So guys, kaya yung
Sa kadiha sa.
balion. Balion. Iyogon le.
Facilitators, please.
Ana.
Facilitators, please. Pressure. Wow! Wow! Gini ba? Wow! Ha? Kanina! Kanina, ilan yung ano, kanang artistic na ko. Wow! Ang facilitator ay magpalit sa precinct. Participants, there is a baso.
Ipasa ang bulag gamit ang baso sa ulo. Ana?
Okay, ma'am.
1, go! Ipasa.
Sir.